Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to reveal hidden passwords in Google Chrome. Revealing hidden passwords can be important because maybe you once entered a password into the login page of a website or a web application, and you want to know what the password is. Using the inspect trick in Google Chrome allows you to reveal passwords that are displayed in asterisks to plain text. To get started, I'm going to open up Google Chrome and show you how to reveal the password for this login page. As you can see, the password field for this login page is hidden by asterisks. To reveal the password into plain text, right-click on the password field and select the Inspect option. The Google Chrome Developer Tools dialog window will now be displayed. Within the website's code, right where it says Type equals, you'll want to change the value password to text and then hit Enter. Now when we close the Developer Tools dialog window, you'll now see that the password is revealed in plain text for you to read. And it's as simple as that. Revealing passwords in Google Chrome is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.